everyone. So today we are going to learn the principle of parallel plate capacitor. So we all know that if we are providing a charge to a body or to a conductor, then its potential increases, and due to the increase in its potential, a condition is reached when the leakage of the charges will take place into the medium in which it is placed. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll place an uncharged plate near a charged plate. Okay, look it here. This is a positively charged plate A, and if we place an uncharged plate B near this charged plate A, then we know that the redistribution of the charges will take place in the uncharged plate. Okay, so due to which the negative charges will come to this side while the positive charges will go to the other side. Okay, so let us consider, we have considered the distance between this positively charged plate and the negative charges on the plate B is A, while the positive charges on the plate B separated from the positively charged plate A by a distance B. Okay, now see what is the result of this. If we place an uncharged plate near a charged plate, then the redistribution of the charges takes place in the uncharged plate. Now this negative charges on the uncharged plate, okay, it reduces the potential of the plate A. Similarly, the positive charges on the plate B, it try to increase the potential of the plate A. But the overall effect, what we have observed, that the overall effect is the decrease in the potential of the charge plate A. So let us try to understand it. Okay, so in order to understand that how the potential decreases if we place an uncharged plate near a charged plate, so let us consider the potential of the plate A is initially 50 volt. Okay, now see, when we place an uncharged plate near this charged plate, then this negative charges, it will produces some potential. So let us suppose the potential is 40 volt, while this positive charges on the uncharged plate B, it produces a potential of 30 volt, because we know that potential is inversely proportional to the distance. The distance of the positive charge plate is more than the distance of the negative charge plate, due to which the potential of the positive charge plate is least as comparison to the negative charge plate. Okay, now see, we know that the electric potential is a scalar quantity, so we'll consider the sign also. So this negative charges on the plate B, it produces a potential of minus 40 volt, while the positive charges on the plate B produces a potential of 30 volt. Now if we see the overall effect, then what is the net potential on this positively charged plate A? That look at here, this is 50 volt minus 40 volt plus 30 volt. So the answer will be 40 volt. So what we have seen, that the potential reduces, because initially the potential of the positively charged plate was 50 volt. Now the potential reduces to 40 volt. Okay, and we know that Q equal to CV, or we can say C equal to Q by V. With the decrease in the potential, the capacitance increases. That means the charge करने की क्षमता जो होगी कंडक्टर की, किसी बॉडी की, वो बढ़ जाएगी. ठीक हो गया. अब हम क्या करते हैं, नाउ इफ वी फर्दर वांट टू डिक्रीज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस चार्ज प्लेट ए, देन व्हाट विल डू, विल कनेक्ट दिस बॉडी बी, a body with the earth. Okay, so when we connect this body to the earth, what we'll observe, that these positive charges will go to the earth. That means now the plate B is left with the negative charges. So now if we want to calculate the net potential, let's see what the net potential is now. The net potential is 50 volt minus 40 volt. So the net potential is 10 volt. So the potential further reduces, and due to the decrease in the potential, the capacitance further increases. Thus we have seen that if the capacitance increases, that means it can store more and more charges. So this is a principle of the parallel plate capacitor. So I hope you all understand it very well. Thank you.